You.
So what would you grade it from 1 to 10 then?
From your skills.
Hi guys, today is a special day for me. My friends are coming to visit us and I've promised them before on many occasions I'm gonna cook something for them. So today I want to cook them a nasi goreng. It was voted the most popular food in the world by CNN. So definitely I would like to give a taste to my friends and see how they're gonna react. Satri are gonna try the dish as well, and my European friend gonna try the dish, and there will be one more special guest. So let's start, shall we? Right, so I'm gonna start with rice. Maybe a bit more. Okay, rice is in the cooker. So now I can start preparing the ingredients for the rice. I think the egg should be whipped for the nasi goreng before putting it to the pan. It's like an omelette thing before. Now I need to heat up the pan. In the meantime, I'll grab the veg. I have the green beans. Red-eyed chilies. Regular red chilies. Tomato. Carrots. Spring onion. Cucumber. Oil is nice and hot. I'm gonna put the pot with water on, bring it to boil, and cook the green beans in the meantime. So I have the bowl of beans. I hope that's enough, or not too much. Okay. Our egg is coming up nicely. 2 more minutes. The water is boiling. Time for the beans. Beans 3 minutes. egg is ready. Egg goes on the plate because we will need it later. After thinking how to make it, I figured I will need the onions as well. Fresh garlic and the soy sauce. Nasi Goreng is ready. I've got my judges here.
Daniel,
So we will see what they got to say about this. Okay? Tell me guys what you think then. It's my first time, I never cooked that before.
Great.
Very nice.
Be honest.
Very nice. Huh?
Yummy.
How's the flavor?
Very good. Very nice and the chili. Nice. Very good.
Not too spicy?
No, but really tasty, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Cucumber
spicy,
good,
but yeah,
great.
Very good.
quite healthy as well, I guess.
So you guys like Indonesian food then?
Definitely.
I love it.
What about the main judge? Satya?
Yeah, very nice. I never tasted like this. Quite different. But a lot of flavor, isn't it? It's the #1 dish in the world by CNN. Yeah, nasi goreng, fried rice.
I love it.
Can I get another plate after this?
Yes.
Like fluffy omelette, crispy things. That spicy rice and a fresh cucumber. Great mix.
Hmm.
Good
Simple but
combination,
great.
isn't it? So put jengkol. Just surprising me how we get it. You get from my cabinet.
Yeah, when you brought it from Indonesia, I sneaked some out from you.
That's Eddie. What you think about that crackers?
It's great. Nice, crispy.
The crackers.
Yeah.
You tasted it before.
But not before. That's the first time.
It's the famous crackers in Indonesia.
Cracker no good, but I eat all. That's very, very nice.
You know already.
Yeah, nothing left. So no good, no good.
Yeah. When you say that jengkol in Indonesia, everybody know jengkol.
Really?
Yeah. It's like, how can I say? I might not say it now, but it's nothing bad about it. But really famous. Someone gonna like it, or you're gonna hate it.
I love it.
You love it?
That's my favorite crackers as well. I love them.
Really?
Yeah?
Thought you didn't like it.
No, I like this one. I like this one and the pink ones as well. Although I don't know what the pink ones are made from.
Good combination.
Very good and simple.
Sorry, I'm not making any comment. Just finish. Sorry.
How much
You can say no good, yeah?
how much you want to pay if you buy it in the cafe like this?
Mhm.
How much you get happy to pay?
Depends which cafe going, but probably £6-7 you can pay easy.
750 like.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like proper meal, for example. Serve like proper meal.
If you have bowl like that,
Yeah.
serve exactly like that. 750. That's minimum. How much you should pay?
Yeah.
Minimum. Yeah.
Mm.
Wow. You know how much in Indonesia that? Yes.
How much?
You can get 50 pence.
Woo!
Yeah.
Seriously.
So let's go to Indonesia.
50
go.
pence. Maybe without chicken. Without chicken a bit special, maybe 75 pence. You can get fried rice for 50 pence with egg on top. And then nice as well. Sorry to say because it's more original.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But this is nice. For European standard, for Indonesian food, this is really nice. Well done. You.
So what would you grade it from 1 to 10 then?
From your skills. Decent. 10.
Be honest.
Decent. 10.
I can give an answer like Scottish.
Yeah.
11.
What about you?
Well, I think it's because I eat a lot of Indonesian fried rice. I can say this 8.
8.
Yeah, would
That's
be,
very good to hear.
I think 9 for European standard, and then 8 for Indonesian standard.
Well, mission accomplished then.
So then,
Well done.
can I take some glass of water, please?
Say that, that'll be good. Come on.